Naam, kwingine kwamba wachezaji Jelani Kihanya na Antonia Mbuthia waliibuka washindi wa mashindano ya gofu ya Mombasa yaliyoandaliwa katika kaunti ya uwanja wa gofu wa Nyali mjini Mombasa. Naam, Ekron Odhiambo aliibuka mshindi katika kitengo cha wachezaji wasiozidi umri wa miaka 20 huku Kaura Smith akishinda upande wa wasichana.
We are really happy to be here in Nyali and to see how the game is progressing. And part of our main expertise as a trust company is that we support families who want to protect and create wealth beyond generations. And that's why we're excited about our partnership with the Junior Golf Foundation, because we are seeing parents who are keen to develop the passion and the game of golf within their juniors.
We are very excited and honored to be part of this event. It's part of our series across Kenya, and we are glad that Coast Province is currently holding this event. The event took place for the last 3 days, starting from Saturday all the way to Sunday and ending today. And it's been a great event with good participation in terms of numbers and good weather also, and we noted there was good enjoyment from the kids.
This year has been a great improvement. We had kids from all over because it was a junior open. We had like 40% from Nairobi clubs and 60 from Mombasa, which shows a very big improvement from last year. We started on Saturday and we started well. The weather was good. We faced a small challenge on yesterday. The weather was not favorable, but the juniors were able to complete. Today everything has been good. It is the final day, and we continue to thank the parents for bringing their juniors. The future of golf is in juniors.
Kihanya, my home club is Limuru Country Club. Over the course of the 3 days, my scores plus 27. The first day shooting 84, and then the second and third day shooting 78. I think I found it easier going into the second and third round because now I'd gotten accustomed to the course, and I think my mindset changed. I had no expectations on myself, but now I was just trying to go there and shoot that low score that I know I can shoot.
Na michezo ya vyuo vya KMTC vya eneo la